Set trip rules, alerts, and notifications for accurate fleet tracking. Fleet operations management begins in the configuration module, the central hub for defining global tracking parameters. General settings establish the foundational logic for trip monitoring and cost calculations across the entire vehicle network. Average stop time defines the duration a vehicle remains stationary before a formal stop is recorded in the system. Auto-end trip time determines the period of inactivity required to automatically conclude a journey and finalize trip data. Arrival radius sets the geographic perimeter around a destination to trigger arrival notifications and automated status updates. Departure radius establishes the distance a vehicle must travel from its origin to signal the formal commencement of a trip. Currency and fuel prices enable the system to calculate total trip costs based on real-time consumption data. Configuring these global parameters ensures data integrity and automated oversight throughout the entire logistics lifecycle. Default trip configuration allows administrators to standardize alert recipients based on specific organizational roles and hierarchy. Selecting roles such as company owner or admin ensures that critical trip updates reach the appropriate stakeholders instantly. The system supports various user levels, including viewers, to maintain data security while ensuring operational visibility. Expanding these groups allows for granular control over which individual users receive automated system messages and reports. Default vehicle alerts define the specific operational events that trigger real-time notifications for the fleet management team. Enforced alerts for speeding or unauthorized stops help maintain safety standards and reduce operational risks. Saving these preferences enforces uniform communication protocols and improves overall operational transparency for all active vehicle trips. Alert rules provide a comprehensive overview of the specific logic governing system notifications and their delivery frequency. These rules define strict thresholds for behaviors like early arrivals, late departures, and excessive idling or speeding. Notification frequency determines how often management is alerted when a specific rule violation occurs within the fleet. Maintaining accurate alert rules ensures that the operations team can respond quickly to any deviations from the plan. Integrating non-system user data enables automated SMS and email notifications to ensure external stakeholders receive critical alerts. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.